Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can schedule Facebook Reels for free in Meta Business Suite. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once Facebook is open, you simply need to select your page, and here you need to click on Meta Business Suite, and here you need to click on Content. So once you are on that page, you simply need to click on Create Reel on the top right. Here you need to click on Add Video. So let me add a video that I recently downloaded. Okay, so now you can see that I'm uploading a video. Here you can caption your reel, and if you want you can choose thumbnail, and if you want you can upload from your computer as well. Okay, and if you want you can add collaborator by name or URL. So I'm going to click on next, and if you want you can add audio. If you want you can crop according to your choice. You can auto enhance, you can add text, you can trim as well. Okay, then you need to click on next. So instead of sharing, you simply need to click on schedule, and you can schedule according to your choice. So I'm going to schedule it for my 24, and the time will be the same, and then you need to click on schedule. So this is the process by which you can schedule Facebook Reels for free in Meta Business Suite. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.